Yes, you can see my season now. So I'm putting in some Maggi. The Maggi. I'm making a video. Yes. No. Right now, I'm doing the video. So please, I'm asking to like, share, subscribe. Like and subscribe. Touch a notice button to tell a friend. This is the way I do my brown stew chicken. So you can all see. This is it. Look at the season. Look at it. Carrot, garlic, pepper, turnip, onion, sweet pepper. You can all see it. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. Follow it. You can like it and share it. This is the way I do it. My pepper, you can see it. See the pepper? You see it. Garlic, yes. Everything inside there. Scallion, and this is the chicken now. Okay? I'm gonna do it. So like it and share it. Follow me, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is Aunty Clair. Brown stew chicken for today. Thank you. Watch it. Okay. Good. Yes. When I going down further, I make you know. Garlic powder. Yes. Okay. Thank you.